Okay.
in my desk. This is a blanket. This is a chair.
Put it go down like this. There.
This is a house for me and for me and my bear. This is a red.
Table.
This is a table. This is a red. Yes, and slide. This is a pizza. This is a book. Puppy. Boys comes to me.
Straw.
This is a rabbit. This is a sheep.
Rabbit.
Thank you for clapping on me.